Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Foundations of Real Estate Financial Modeling. Today we'll go quickly over a video regarding the variance and standard deviations of returns, how to calculate them, what they are, and we'll go through a quick sample problem at the very end. So what does the variance and the standard deviation show? What do they mean, right? So the variance of a return is a measure of the degree of dispersion of the data around the sample's mean. So that basically means how it varies from the mean in either way, like from a positive side or to a negative side. And the standard deviation is simply the measure of the amount of variation or dispersion within a sample. Another way to think about this is just standardizing the variance. And on normal curves, 68.3% of the returns of the data points that you're going to see are seen within one standard deviation. 95.4% of returns are within two standard deviations, and 99.7% of returns are going to fall within three standard deviations. It'll make more sense with this bell curve. So this is a bell curve, right? This is a mean, and standard deviations 1, 2, 3. So what this is saying, 68.3%, is that these two dark blues, this is where we can see 68% of all of our data points, and the number goes increasing as the standard deviation increases, right? So that's really all that means. That's how you calculate the variance, is the specific data point of a return minus the average of the returns squared, and then the standard deviation is simply the square root of the variance. So let's go through a quick sample problem where we'll calculate the variance and the standard deviation for a set of returns. So here we have a set of returns. The formulas are already pre-populated, but we can start from 0. So the first thing I would do is just calculate the average return. The average. Secondly, you gotta subtract the specific data point, so a specific data point in the specific year, from the set's average. Let's lock this up. I'm gonna drag our formula. And now we're gonna square the values to get the variance. Variance. And here we go. So these are the variances for each specific year, for each specific return. Now we gotta calculate the variance of the whole thing, right? So we're just gonna get an average of all of our variances. This is the variance. And then to get the standard deviation, we said this was just a square root. And there we go. That's really it. We have a variance of 0.0209. Once we standardize that variance, we see that each standard deviation is 14.48%. Let's just round up to 2 decimal points. So this just means that if you go back to our bell curve, from this mean, we're moving 14.48% one way and 14.48% to the other, so on and so forth. And that is it, guys. Thank you for your time and hope you have a good day, and we'll see you again next time. All right, bye.